How to convert OLM to PST and in other formats with Softaken software. This software will help you to convert OLM to PST, EML, message, EMLX and MBOX file format. First you need to click on Add button to browse your file. Now click on Browse button and locate your OLM file. Here you can find complete preview of your OLM file, check your emails here. And then click on Export button. Here you can find multiple export options. Choose your desired file format in which you want to export here. Now click on Browse button to save your exported file. And then click on Convert Now button to start conversion process. If you need any assistance then contact our technical experts at support@softaken.com.